Today's lesson is going to be about evaluating equations using function notation. What you got to know about function notation is that it's just a different way of writing equations. For instance, if I have y equals 7x plus 15, I can actually rewrite this as f of x equals 7x plus 15, okay? Y and f of x are exactly the same. Nothing really changes. It's just the way we write it down, okay? Now, when it comes to function notation, we're going to be evaluating, which means that we're going to be replacing the x value for a number. So notice that the question is asking us to evaluate when f of 4, okay? So it's telling us f of 4, which means to replace x for 4 into that equation. So we're going to take our equation, which is going to be f of x equals 7x plus 15, and x is going to be 4. All right, we're just going to go ahead and do the math. 7 times 4, that's going to be 28, plus 15, okay? So f of x equals 28 plus 15, so that's going to be 20 plus 10, 30, and then that's going to be 43. Okay. And then that would be your answer. So when x equals 4, y is going to be 43. So what we got to understand about this problem is that this is your input and this is your output. Okay, so when the x is inside the parentheses, that's going to be your input. When the number's outside, that's going to be your output. Okay. Cool, perfect. All right, for letter B, the example is a little bit different. All right, now we have g of x equals 1/2 x minus 4, and then it's telling us to find x when g of x equals 8. So what is it giving us? This is now our output, which means that we need to find the input. Okay. All right. Remember that this is your output. This is your input. All right. So all we're going to go do is replace our output. So instead of writing g of x, now I'm going to write 8. So again, I'm gonna rewrite it again. So we got 1/2 x minus 4, and then I know that my output is 8. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug that in. So now I'm gonna have 8 equals 1/2 x minus 4, and my job is to find. Sorry, it keeps doing that. My job is to find x. So let's go ahead and solve this. So I'm going to go ahead and add a 4 to both sides. That's going to be 12 equals 1/2 x. And then I'm going to divide it by 1/2. That's gone. So I'm left with x equals 24. Right? So I found my input.